Alright, for number 7, it tells us x to the 4th minus 2x to the 3rd plus 3x minus 6. And they're telling us to factor this. So here's going to be the hard part on your quiz on Monday. I'm not going to tell you which of your methods. That's why you have that chart from yesterday. Yes? Okay, we're going to count in your favorite language. Ready, set, go. So if there are 4 terms, you're going to do what? Look at your flow chart. You're going to factor by grouping. Do you see that? So you're not starting off initially with, yes, I'm looking for a greatest common factor. I don't see anything. Because there's 4 terms, I'm not going to be using Xbox. It's possible I might use it later on, but in the very beginning, I am not. You can break them into 2 chunks. I have the yellow area. Whatever color you have, I have the pink area. So I look at this problem now. If I'm looking at the yellow area, what's the greatest common factor here? X squared. What's left, class? X squared minus 2x. Oh no! What does that mean? X squared was just a factor. Now it says this is not the greatest common factor. I should have taken a third. That would give us a x and then a 2. So my answer is x to the 3rd, and this is how you can check your answer. Class, what's x cubed times x? X to the 4th. Class, what's x cubed times negative 2? Negative 2x cubed. So here, x cubed is my GCF. Remember, if you need help with that, just break up all those into factors. I'm not going to continue doing that, but hopefully you see that. Over in this area, what's my greatest common factor? 3. 3 times what? X minus 2. Look, look, look. If you're stuck on the second one, look at what you did over here. Do you see that? You can kind of cheat. It's not really cheating. It's a hint. Theirs are going to be the same. So this is my first set of GCFs. If I had to describe to you what is factoring by grouping, it is doing the GCF in sets 2 times. So here's the first one. The second time is, what do you guys notice the same? X minus 2. So if you don't have something that's the same, okay, go back. You probably did something incorrectly. Tell me what to write. X minus 2. Okay, what's not in green? X cubed. Yeah, that 3 here is a positive 3. Now, it is possible I give you a difficult problem when there's negatives, so when you're breaking them up into factors, you might have a negative. So, for example, in this 6 right here, you might do negative 1 times 2 times 3 to help you figure out the factors, okay? Now, here's the second question. Well, that green shows us that we just did the second GCF. The second set of GCFs. You might want to think about this one. Is this factorable? Well, it's a binomial. I count it, right? 1, 2. It's not a difference of squares. There's no minus sign. There is no GCF. Okay. I'm not going to teach you guys the sum and difference of cubes, but this is not something to the 3rd power, so this is our best answer.